Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 49 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is cityscape or urban life. And I've got this. Textured paper. I've got this. A word in a foreign language. I'm going to do words, but not in a foreign language. An image from a magazine. I've got these that I also did fodder on, and this also came from an Ideals magazine, so it's also from a magazine. And something you can wear, which is this little jumper. And the bonus is rubber stamping or sticker, and I've got these rubber stamps that I plan on using. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am a bit behind today. I haven't made a video since last Margarete Miller. I've just been, this week has been a busy week for me with Thanksgiving and all. But we enjoyed it. I got to spend a lot of good quality time with my family, and I'm so thankful for that. We had our traditional turkey and dressing and all those fixings that's so good. Candied sweet potatoes, pecan pies. We had eclair cake. It was all delicious. Okay. All right, I've got that down. Now, I need to figure out where I want everything else. Now, I did glue that down there, and it's not so easy to glue, but that's all right. We'll make it work. But yeah, when we've always done the Black Friday, we go to Tupelo on Friday. My sons and my husband all asked for that day off. And so we went, did a little Christmas shopping, spent some fun time together. Although I was ready to get out of Walmart, it was packed in Tupelo. And I just don't handle crowds that well anymore. I get the little panic attack. But I'm happy to be with my family. Okay. I'll put that there. I'll have my little girl walking up the street with her teddy bear. Yeah, I cooked, Wednesday for Thursday, and of course I cooked Thursday. And then we went to Tupelo, which because it's a little over an hour away. But it was a stressful, because it's a lot bigger town than Starkville. And it was a little stressful for me. Just, the traffic and stuff is a lot different than what we're used to. Although it was, no big deal. Okay. I thought that looked like a poinsettia. Yeah, see. See how I want to do this. I think I like that better. Oh, that's pretty. But, and then yesterday was my husband's birthday, and he was off. He took 2 personal days, Friday and Saturday. And, so he wanted me to make burritos. And I made his favorite strawberry cake. So he was happy, which is very important to me. Alrighty. Got those down. I hope they'll, looks like I'm gonna have to add some more glue. And we finished watching The Rookie. It was good. Of course, the new season comes out in January. So we haven't started watching anything else. We hadn't been much on TV except for football the last few days. My poor Mississippi State lost. They did not have a great. The team's not so bad. They need defense for sure. Oh, but it would have been worth it if they could have beat Ole Miss. But alas, they did not. Okay. So we've got the cityscape, textured paper. I've skipped the foreign language words, image from magazines, something you can wear, and now I've got my rubber stamping. So I'm just going to do these little labels and put them around. So let's see. Got my love, peace, and joy. And let me find my ink. There's my Versified. Okay. I will do, let's see what we'll do first. I think first, I'm going to take this green. It's Rustic Wilderness. And that's lumber. I don't know how to do the lumberjack. And see what's another. I think I'll stick with those two. All right. Okay. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. I got these stamps. These are dot stamps. Got those when my boys were real little. Okay. And this one. Okay. So now I'll come back with my Versify in black and punch in the detail. And let's see here. There we go. Bobo. Cute. And I think I'll do joy on that one. That's cute, if I do say so. All right, now let's see what we got. We can do a little okay. And I love this little set too. They're fun. And now we'll do peace. Cute. And last but not least, what we're gonna do. Wait a minute. I think I want to do red. Let me stamp that off. Okay. And let me find, here we go. Cute. And the green, I've got this. And we will do love. Love them. Absolutely love them. I don't have foreign, Christmas words. Thought about Feliz Navidad, but it's not like my background is in Mexico, so I'll just skip that. Okay. Put my stamps away. Put my ink up. Okay, now let's see where we want to put these. We can do love, peace, and joy. All right. And now I will add my splatters. If it wants to pop, there we go. Now let's see, my paintbrush. All right. So we've got the urban scape, cityscape or urban life. We've got that. Textured paper. A word in a foreign language I skipped, but I do have words. Image from a magazine. These were magazine that I did my fodder on, and this came from a, my mind went blank, but it came from a magazine. And something you can wear, her little pajamas. Bonus is a holiday rubber stamping or sticker, and I just stamped these words. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it's a little late today, but maybe I'll be back on track. I'll start December tomorrow, but I haven't even gotten my journal made. I have really not been at my craft desk since the beginning of the week. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, oh, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2024 CW49 to see what everyone else has made this week. So only a few more weeks left. So until next time, bye y'all.